Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another wig review. So today's wig review is brought to you by Yiroo hair. So thank you so much Yiroo for sponsoring this video. So today's wig is a 13 by 6, which is a huge amount of parting space, you guys. It's a 13 by 6 lace front wig. It's 18 inches and it is a deep wavy unit. I did bleach the knots and I did pluck some of the parting space. So this is pretty much what I ended up with after co-washing the hair and letting it air dry. So I went ahead and added my WigStensions lace tint spray in beige, and I only added 2 pumps in each area to get a shade that matches my skin tone. I blew that dry with my Yellowbird blow dryer by Conair. I'll leave a link down below if you want to grab yourself one from Amazon. They're only about $30. And what else, you guys? So I used my Indie hairspray and my Got to Be Glued in the yellow container. That combination works out perfectly for me, you guys, when I want to lay my lace wigs down. I don't use any adhesive because I do take my wigs off every night. I don't like to sleep in my units. So I went ahead and grabbed a rat tail comb and just pressed it into the hairspray and gel mixture that was on my forehead. And I used my GLEEmade baby hair scarf to go ahead and lay it down. I let it dry for about 10 minutes and I moved on to the next step. So if you've ever had curly or wavy hair before, you know that when you wash the hair and let it air dry, for some reason the closure or the frontal area of the curls never seem to pop back as much as the curls on the track. So you always kind of have to do a little more to blend the curls if you care enough to. You don't have to, but I went ahead and grabbed my really small wand curler. It's the smallest one that I own. I think maybe it's a 1/2 inch, but I'm not 100% sure. I went ahead and grabbed that and just grabbed some pieces around the frontal to go ahead and give the curls a little bit of a pop. So I was pretty happy with the way that turned out. Then I went ahead and cut off the excess lace. Now when you're doing this step, you want to make sure you do not cut too close to the hairline. You don't want to cut away the front of your wig and then end up with bald spots. So just be careful. Obviously this is a lot easier to do, and I'd recommend not doing it while the wig is on your head. I only do that for demonstration purposes. The way I prefer to cut my lace is when my lace is actually on the mannequin head and I can actually see what I'm doing. But obviously for the tutorial's sake, I do it this way. But this way is extremely difficult and I would not suggest it. So as you can see with the lace tint spray, this wig lace literally blends into my skin tone perfectly. The lace is very thin and it's really good quality. It was very easy to work with, and I absolutely love this wig. It's really cute, really simple. Like I said, I did bleach the knots and pluck the frontal, but you definitely didn't have to do that. It's just my preference. So to go ahead and lay the wig down a little more, I went ahead in with my Got to Be Glued in the black container, because I feel like that gel just lets the wig sort of melt into your skin a little bit better than the gel in the yellow container. Sometimes it leaves like a white filmy crustiness. But you guys, that's pretty much the end of this tutorial. I went ahead and grabbed the hair up into a small mini bun at the top, and that's all I did, you guys. I love this hair. I think it's absolutely beautiful. If you have questions about this hair, there will be a link in the description box down below, and you can check out Yiroo hair for yourself. Make sure you guys subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload from me, and make sure you're following me on my social media. See you in the next one. Peace.